Hello students, today I'm going to show you what is valence electron, what is core electron, and what is valence shell for these two examples. Okay, so the first example is fluorine. We know 9 protons and 10 neutrons are in the nucleus, and fluorine has 9 electrons. We know that. So now I'm going to fill the 9 electrons in the two shells. So the first shell can hold maximum 2 electrons. So out of 9 electrons, we place the 2 electrons in the first shell. Then remaining 9 minus 2, 7 electrons. Those 7 electrons can go to the second shell. And we know maximum capacity of the second shell is 8 electrons. So let me put up these 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So now look at this. This is the atomic structure for fluorine. So what is valence electrons mean? See, valence means outer. So outer electrons. So in the fluorine atom, how many electrons are there in the outer shell? So let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 valence electrons. So the electrons in the outer shell. Then tell me how many core electrons? See, core means inner. So core means inner. So how many inner electrons are there? So other than the valence electron, how many electrons are inside? So I would say 1 and 2. So there is only one shell, the inner shell. So it has 2 electrons. So the core electrons are 2. So there are 2 core electrons. So 7 valence electrons, 2 core electrons, and which is the valence shell? Valence shell means outer shell. See, because you know the word valence means outer. So which one is that? So this is the first ring, and this is the second ring. So you would write second shell, or you would write n equals 2. Is the valence shell. Okay. Now we will see one more example. That is with aluminum. So let me show you the atomic structure for aluminum. Then we can find out how many valence electrons, how many core electrons, and what is the valence shell. Okay, let's look at this example. Okay, I try to bring it a little closer. Okay, I think this works. Okay, so now this is the nucleus of aluminum, 13 protons and 14 neutrons. So now there are 13 electrons. I'm going to put 13 electrons. So first shell holds 2 electrons, 1 and 2. Then second shell holds 8 electrons. That is the maximum capacity. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let me write it. So first ring can hold 2 electrons. Second ring can hold 8 electrons. Then how many electrons are remaining? 3 electrons. So the 3 electrons will go into the third shell. So let me put up the 3 electrons in the third shell. 1 and 2 and 3. So now can we do together? So now take a time and look at this atomic structure for aluminum and tell me how many valence electrons, how many outer electrons are there, how many inner electrons, how many core electrons, And which shell is the outer shell? Which shell is the valence shell? Okay, so think about that and get ready with your answers. So now you're going to tell me. So number of valence electrons. So you know valence means outer, right? So how many electrons are there in the outer ring? I see 1, I see 2, I see 3. So there are three electrons in the outer shell. So 3 valence electrons. Then how many core electrons? CE stands for core electrons. Core means inner. So core means inner. Okay, so other than the valence electron, how many electrons are inside? See, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I am accidentally put it here. So 1, 2, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 core electrons. Okay, so you have to count only the inner electrons. There are 2 shells inside. So you have to count electrons in both shells. So there are 10. Okay, now which one is the valence shell? Which shell? There are 3 shells, right? Which shell you will say as the outer shell? Either you can write the third shell or n equals 3. Your choice. Third shell or n equals 3. Okay? And you have a pattern in the periodic table. Group 1 elements will have 1 valence electron. Group 2 will have 2 valence electron. And starting from 13, 3 valence electron. Group 14, 4 valence electron. Group 15, 5. Group 16, 6. Group 17, 7 valence electron. And finally, group 18. Other than helium, all the elements in group 18 has 8 valence electron. Helium has only 2 valence electron. I hope this helps.